Shopify appointment booking tutorial. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add Shopify appointment booking app. So first of all, you have to log into your Shopify admin store, then you have to tap onto settings. After tapping onto settings, you can see these options, apps and sales channels here. Then tap onto Shopify app store and then search for appointment booking. Then you'll get a lot of apps that offers this options. Also you can go to this app, booking app called scheduling calendar. You can install it up for your Shopify store, then just install it up. Let me show you. Just install it up from here and then just set it up for your Shopify store. So this is as simple as that. This is how you can add booking apps to your Shopify store. Now tap onto enable calendar. Now you have to tap onto go to theme site and then you have to use it. So as you can see, calendar is activated. Now you have to save it up. So this is as simple as that. Now you can edit calendar from here. You can just go to it, you can use it, and then you can use it calendar. So this is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on another video.